Hello, welcome back to today's recipe is Talasheri style chicken dum biryani. So let us check the ingredients first. I have here with me 500 grams of chicken pieces which is washed and cleaned properly, 5 medium sized onions sliced, 2 medium sized tomato chopped, 2 tablespoon curd, about 10 mint leaves, turmeric powder, garam masala, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, coriander leaves, salt, and here I have a paste of 7 green chilies, 10 garlic cloves and 2-inch long ginger, ghee for frying, water to boil the rice, 5 tablespoon cashew nuts, about 5 tablespoon raisins, 5 cardamom, about 10 cloves, 2 cinnamon sticks, and I have 750 grams of basmati rice here with me. We also require oil. So step 1 is, into a pot add 5 tablespoons of cooking oil. The flame have to be adjusted in medium. Once the oil is hot, we'll add half of the sliced onion and fry it. We'll have to fry this onion till it turns crispy and brown. Once it's brown and crispy, we'll remove it from the oil. We'll have to spread it on a plate so that it doesn't become soggy. Now into the same oil, add in the cashew nuts and fry it until it's about to turn brown. Into it, add in the raisins also. Now we'll have to fry it until the raisins are plump. Once the raisins are plump, we'll have to remove the cashew nuts and raisins from the oil. Now into this oil, add in 2 tablespoons of ghee also, and from the remaining onion, we'll fry half of the onion now. So we'll have to fry this until the onion turns soft. Now we'll add in the ginger, garlic and green chili paste and fry it nicely. Once it's fried properly, add in half teaspoon turmeric powder and 2 teaspoon garam masala. Now mix it really well. Now we'll have to add in the chicken pieces. So as I told you, I am using 500 grams of chicken here. Give it a mix. Into this, add in half teaspoon salt, some coriander leaves, about 10 mint leaves, tomato chop, that is 2 medium sized, 2 tablespoon curd and 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Mix everything. Once it's mixed, we'll have to cover and cook this for 10 minutes on low flame. Meanwhile, we'll prepare the rice for our biryani. In another pan, I'm taking 2 tablespoons of ghee. The flame has to be medium. Into the hot ghee, add in the cloves, cardamom and cinnamon sticks. Now add in the remaining onion and fry until the onion turns soft. Now it's time to add in the rice. So I have 750 grams of rice which is washed, Now we'll have to fry this rice in the ghee for at least 2 minutes. This step will ensure that our rice doesn't stick when we prepare the biryani. Now we are adding the water here. So to decide how much water we have to use, before washing the rice itself, please measure the rice in a cup. For each cup of rice, we will require 1.5 cup of water. So add water accordingly. Add half teaspoon salt to this. Give it a mix and then cover and cook until the rice is almost 90% done. Let us check the chicken now. We can see that the chicken pieces have released a lot of water here. Now from the fried onion, we'll have to crush half of it using your hand and add it into this chicken. Mix everything. Chicken masala for our biryani is ready. Now we can keep this aside and let us check the rice. So we have to cook the rice until it is 90% done. Here it is ready. Now it's time we can arrange the dum. So I am going to prepare the dum in the same pot in which we have prepared the chicken. The first step is, or the first layer is chicken itself. So I am just spreading the chicken pieces at the base. Now adding half of the rice cooked and spread it evenly. Half of coriander leaves I am adding here. Half of the fried onion which we have here. Again half of the cashew nuts and raisins. Sprinkle half teaspoon garam masala also. Now we'll repeat the process. So rice first, coriander leaves, remaining fried onion, remaining cashew and raisins, again half teaspoon garam masala, now I am going to show an optional step here. I have mixed half teaspoon turmeric powder in 2 tablespoon edible rose water and I am adding it here for enhanced flavor. This is totally optional. Now we have to cover this airtight. For that I am using aluminium foil. So place the aluminium foil and tuck it properly. Keep the lid and press and make sure it's airtight. Now turn on the flame, adjust it to the lowest possible heat and cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes we can see that our chicken dum biryani is ready. I'm going to show you how to serve this. So we will not directly serve it into a plate. We will first serve it on a bowl. Add in chicken pieces first and then add in the rice. Now carefully flip it over on a plate. Talisheri style chicken dum biryani is ready. We hope you love this recipe. Subscribe for more such amazing recipes. Thank you.